Hi guys, Jodie here with you. Just letting you know that I am running the risk assessment course later this week, so please feel free to jump on and send somebody along, or you come along, or if you've got any educators that you're a little bit concerned about, send them along. As you know, I've been out conducting risk assessments for the past couple of weeks for services, so we've been doing a lot of going out, visiting educators, going through registers, going through documentation, all those sorts of things. Now, the biggest risk that I'm still seeing are risks in your documentation, particularly around your registers and your excursion risk assessment. So they're probably, as far as documentation goes, your biggest risks to getting an audit, either through the federal government or not passing a ratings and assessment up to the working towards or meeting, which is meeting is ideally where we want services to be moving forward, particularly after all the changes and the closures. So I'm still seeing the same risk. So I just want you guys to be really safe in your service provision, and I want the educators at home, because the expectation on educators is much greater than it used to be. So we just want to make sure that people understand their obligations, can move forward, move up the ratings and assessments, and be at minimum meeting those ratings and assessments. We don't want anybody working towards any longer. So come along. Risk assessment looks different in every home and in every service. So it's a matter of just understanding that process and what that process needs to be, and how you can walk into an educator's home or review your service, or if you're an educator, how you can look at your home and what you're providing and determine your own risk. Don't forget, we're in a position now where educators are looking for work still. I get calls from educators every week that are still looking for service providers because they've lost their service provider in recent months. So we're still looking at that. We're looking at services with policies that are outdated, registers that are got the wrong information, so they can trigger audits at the federal level. So we don't want people getting audited at this stage. We want services to be really mitigating their risks and moving forward in the ratings and assessment. That's what our goal is. So jump on, book your seat. Places are limited, so there's not many places left. So come along. I'll be hosting the event, so I'll get to talk to you, and we can have a chance just to talk about what exactly your risks may be, and how we can mitigate those risks for you and get you moving up in that ratings and assessment. So I hope to see you there. See ya.